Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, November 15th, and we're going to take a look at crude oil and more specifically the trend, okay? Because trend is very important when you're trading intraday and end of day, no matter what time frame you're looking at. One of the most important things I teach people is identify the trend, the price action trend first. Now, the way you do that is by looking at pivot points, and you've heard me talk about this before. You go higher high, higher low, or lower high, lower low. So if it's an uptrend, you have higher highs, higher lows. If it's a downtrend, you have lower highs, lower lows. So if we look at this, we start on the left-hand side of the chart. We're going to go high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so right here, we put in a lower high and a lower low. When you first change trend, you're going to draw your line in the sand. That's this trend line right here. Whoops. That trend line right there. If it breaks that trend line, you resume the uptrend. So boom, we break the trend line, we resume the uptrend. Go back into higher highs, higher lows. Right here, we do the same thing. Put in a lower high, then we break down, put in a lower low. So as soon as you change trend, you draw your trend line. This is your line in the sand. You break through that trend line, you resume the uptrend. Boom, right back into higher highs, higher lows. So keep an eye on this. Pay attention to the pivots intraday, especially if you're a day trader, or end of day if you're a swing trader, and watch where the trend is going. And as soon as your trend shifts, draw that line in the sand, and then look for the break of that trend line and the resumption of the underlying or the earlier pre-established trend. Alrighty, so that's all I have for you for today. These were just a couple examples of potential entries in crude oil from trend trading and from micro trend breaks. So that's it for today. Have a great afternoon, and until next time, happy trading.